Negeri 2 Cibinong.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Dinda Rizky Nugraha. I'm English teacher of SMK PG2 Cibinong and also student of program Pendidikan Guru dalam Jabatan 2023 Category 1. On March 5, 2024, I would like to take video for UKIN. The topic is use item tags by using problem-based learning. So enjoy the video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, students? I'm very well. So before we start our lesson, please dapat to pray.
Attention please, let's pray together begin. English greeting all teachers.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue our lesson. I would like to make sure you are ready to start lesson. So please stand up. Look performance. Okay, look at your performance. And then, is there any rubbish beside your chair? No? Okay, so are you ready to study? Yes. So please sit down. Okay, I would like to check the present. Abeline, okay, Alpanji, Andika, Arifin, Abi, Rifa, Sarifa. Okay, Alhamdulillah, all of students are present today. Okay? Okay, so students, I have a quote today. Is there anyone to help me to read the quote, please? Okay. Arifin, so please.
First, we form habits, then they form us, conquer.
Quote of the day is, first we form habits, then they form us, conquer your bad habits, or they will eventually conquer you. So, for example, if you are undisciplined, ya, you always come late to school, ya. Kalau kebiasaan itu terus-menerus membentuk kamu, ya kamu akan terkalahkan. So, you have to the good habits, okay? Yeah. Okay, students, look at the following picture. I have a picture. Please observe this picture. You know what she is doing. Okay, Aryo, please.
She is delivering news.
Okay, she is delivering news. Okay, very good, Aryo. So, do you know what is her profession? Okay, Panji.
She is anchor.
She is anchor. Okay, very good, Panji. She is anchor in bahasa. Okay, Sakani, please.
Berita.
Pembaca berita. Have you ever seen anchor? Have you ever seen anchor? Okay, please, Ara.
Television.
Television. Okay, very good. Give a plus. So guys, today we are going to discuss about news item text. Yeah. So it is related to the picture. Okay. Best competence. Who want to help me to read the best competence, please? Okay. Sharifah first.
Analisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks news.
Okay, thank you, Sarifa. So, who wants to help me to read 431, please? Okay.
Menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks news item.
Okay, so thank you, Kia. So today we are going to discuss about news item text. You can see there is a bad competence 331. menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks news item lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait berita sederhana dari koran, radio, TV sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Kemudian for 31 menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan teks news item lisan dan tulis dalam bentuk berita sederhana koran, radio, and TV. News item, you have studied about this material in Bahasa Indonesia lesson and you were 11th grade. So what is news item text in Bahasa? Teks berita. Okay, very good. I'd like to tell you about the learning objectives. So, who want to help me to read the learning objectives? Nah, oke.
Kegiatan pembelajaran dengan model pembelajaran problem based learning, maka peserta didik diharapkan dapat: 1. Melalui diskusi, peserta didik mampu mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks.
To read number 2.
Melalui diskusi kelompok, peserta didik mampu menemukan informasi dan rinci tertentu dalam teks news item.
Thank you. Okay. Number 3, please.
Diskusi kelompok, peserta didik mampu menyusun kalimat menjadi paragraf teks news.
Okay, thank you. Ya, oke, Abi.
Diskusi kelompok, peserta didik mampu mempresentasikan hasil diskusi.
Oke, thank you. The last.
Diskusi kelompok, peserta didik mampu menyimpulkan hasil.
Okay, thank you, Aryo. So today we are going to discuss about news item by using problem-based learning. The learning objectives are mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan tepat, kemudian menemukan informasi dan rinci tertentu dalam teks news item tersebut, susun kalimat yang acak menjadi paragraf teks news item, and then number 2 mempresentasikan hasil diskusi, menyimpulkan hasil diskusi kalian. Jadi kalian harus mampu memecahkan masalah yang saya berikan dengan materinya adalah teks news item. Okay, are you ready to start? Okay, now students, so I would like to show the video, and then after watching the video, I would like to do snowball throwing. So I have a snowball, and then I will throw the student. If the student gets the ball, you have to answer the questions. After that, the students who get the ball have to throw her friend or his friend. Okay, understand? Yeah, okay.
Calgary Senate as example, Australia had not allowed its citizens to travel abroad until 2021. This was also the case for China, Korea, Japan, and many European countries. Costa added that the government fully supported the process.
Students, you have just watched the video. So after that, I will do snowball throwing. So if you get the ball, you have to answer the question. And then, if you get the ball after answering the question, you have to throw to your friend. And then your friend has to answer my question too. Okay? Ready? Okay. The first ball is. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The question is, what is the news about?
Bali postpone plan to welcome international travel.
Bali postpone plans to welcome to international travel. Yeah. Okay. Please show to your friend. Yeah. Okay, Wisnu. Next question. Why do many countries, especially Bali, prohibits to come to traveler?
And in Indonesia not safe.
Okay, the situation in Indonesia is not still sad. Thank
Yes,
you,
miss.
Thank you, Wisnu, for now. So next, students, you have to match the headline news with the picture with like worksheet. So if you know the headline news and the picture, you come forward to drag the picture and then put the one who wants to answer. Okay. Okay, very good. Give applause. Okay. Next, number 2, who wants to answer? Okay, so The score is 10. So it's a perfect. Okay. Yeah, number one, the picture and the statement. The headline news is Liverpool joined Chelsea in Carabao Cup final after passing the test at Fulham. So it's match, yeah. Rescue team is carrying out an evacuation of victim of the Indonesian railway accident in Bali. So all of the students are perfect. Give applause. I have to show the video, so please attention, yeah. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Linda Rizky. Welcome to my English class. So I'm going to discuss about news items, so please proceed. Hi friends, are you always curious about what you want in my profession as an anchor? So friends, what is news item text? News item text is a text that informs readers about newsworthy or important events of the day. Jadi, teks memberisikan atau informasi kepada pembaca tentang berita yang penting atau berita terkini. So, what is the social function? To tell the reader about the important and up-to-date events untuk memberitahu kepada pembaca tentang berita terkini atau berita penting. So guys, you can find this item in newspaper, magazine, and online news articles. Okay friends, let's move on to the unit structure. The unit structure of this item, first, main event or newsworthy event. Two,
So guys, we have just one explanation. So, news item text is a text that inform the readers about newsworthy or important events of the day. Jadi teks news item adalah teks yang menginformasikan kepada pembaca, kepada pendengar, penonton tentang kejadian-kejadian terkini atau kejadian penting, ya. The social function is to tell the reader about important and update event, untuk memberitahu kepada pembaca, kepada penonton, pendengar tentang kejadian-kejadian penting yang terkini. We talk about how to write news item. We have to pay attention the generic structure. The first main event, or we can call headline of news, berita utama, ringkasan, ya. And then background event, latar belakang, event, kejadian. It means that the text tells about what happened, and then when, where, how, who is involved, and then short statement or opinion from someone involved. Siapa saja yang memberikan pendapat, memberikan statement atas kejadian tersebut. So, how many generic structure in news item? 3. Yeah, main event, background event, and short. Okay, thank you. So, you have studied about the language features. The Aryo said that the event or the incident, blah blah blah. Our Abi informed that blah blah blah. And then using quoted speech or direct speech. And then because sometimes the event tell about past event, using past tense. And using short information for headline and also passive sentence. Yeah. Okay. Next. So I have a text news item text. So please, the first paragraph. Who wants to read the first paragraph?
Then died when he was hit by the Papandayan train. The victim was crushed to death by a train traveling from Bandung to Garut while sitting on the edge of the track.
Okay, next. The fourth paragraph.
There was an incident where a person was hit by a train on the Gambir Garut road.
Read, Majid. Okay, please.
Is known the Papandayan train itself was just inaugurated today.
Okay, thank you, Majid. Very good. So, guys, after reading the news item text, so I would like Okay, very good. Give applause for us. Okay. Next is I have a table, and then you have to fill the table based on the news item text that we have read. So who wants to answer first question? Please come forward to write. Okay, thank you, Adi. Next question. Okay, Audrey. Yeah, please, Audrey. Question number 3. Okay, Adiansha. Okay. 5. Yeah, okay, Wisnu. Thank you, Panji. Next. Want to answer? Okay. Okay, thank you guys. So we have just read the news item from the big news. Supplement in Garut killed by hit by Papandayan train, and then you have to answer some question based on the text. So the first question is, what is the news about? What is the news about? The news about the supplement in Garut killed by hit the Papandayan train. Okay, I want to correct. Okay, the supplement, ya. Apa di supplement in bahasa? Iya, orang yang punya keterbatasan, ya, good, ya. Next, number 2, who are the people involved in the event? Okay, Ahmed Mansyah Garut, Presiden orang Garut, ya. And then when did it happen? Wednesday, 24 January 2024. Okay, very good, Ardiansyah. And then why did it happen? The victim was disabled, didn't hear or jadi korbannya tidak mendengar bunyi kereta because he is disabled. Okay, very good. So your answers are right. Give applause for us. Reading the news item text. So based on the statement, a Garut resident died when he was hit by Papandayan train. Can we change the verb died with the present form verb die? The verb die. Please answer.
We cannot Bu because it tells about past.
Okay, very good, Aryo. Because the event tells about the past event, so we can change died to be died because it's a past tense. So you have to use verb to. Very good, Aryo. Next question. The next statement is the victim is noun to be did. Can we change the verb noun with the present form verb noun? Verb 1. Who want to answer? Okay, Abi.
We cannot passive center.
Okay, we cannot because it is a passive sentence. The passive sentence, we have to use verb 3. Okay, thank you, Abi. Give applause. Now it's time to make a group consists of 5. The first thing that we have to do, I would like to make a group. So I would like to make the group up to me. Yeah. So please count number 1 until number 5. Okay, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4 and 5 and with 5. Okay. Are you rational? Okay, very good. So after making a group, you have to understand what
mentioned by CNN. Like I said, Wednesday, that the job cut, which have already affected hundreds of Google employees in the past week alone want to be the same scale as the last layoff last year that trimmed Google's workforce.
And then Stephanie number 3, Virginia number 4, and last Arifin number 5.
CNN has not independently.
Just read your read this.
Next.
Guys, yeah, very good. So now, okay guys, it's time you to present the discussion result in front of your friend. So group number 1, please present your discussion result. Please come forward.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, friends. We are from Group 1. I'd like to introduce my team. My name is Muhammad Ridho, Nisa, Sekar, Virginia, and then Arvin. We would like to present about our discussion results. The instruction are we have to arrange paragraph to make a coherent news item. Then coherent news item text is 2, 3, and 1. Paragraph 2.
The results are the current news item text is 2, 3, and 1. Paragraph 2 is main event. Paragraph 3 is background event. And the paragraph 1 is search. The generic structure of news items is main event, background event, and search.
The social function of the text is to tell the information of important event. For this article, the news about Google CEO's internal memo warns of future layoff ahead.
The news about Google CEO internal memo warns of further demand. Times reported Wednesday that Google's subsidiary YouTube was laying off 100 workers.
Okay, CNN has not independently private the YouTube layoffs. The Google want to lay off in the months to come because the tech giant reorients itself toward artificial intelligence and beyond. Google subsidiary YouTube laying off 100 workers.
That's all our presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, next group. Please come forward. Group 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, friends. We are from Group 3. I'd like to introduce my team. My name is Ripal, Wisnu, Ara, Aryo, and Ilham. We would like to present about this question result.
Generic item is main event, background event, and search.
Item text is 2, 3, and 1. Paragraph 2 is main event because in paragraph tells about headline of the news. Paragraph 3 is background event because telling the speculative event. The social function of the next is to
The social function of the text is to tell the information of important. For this
CEO Sundar Pichai warned employers to expect additional layoff in the month. The memo comes as the New York Times report Wednesday that Google subsidiary YouTube was laying off 2,000 workers.
Question. Thank you so much for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Give a class for group 2. Okay. We have just watched your friend's presentation. So now I would like you to give a feedback after watching your friend presentation. Want to give a comment? Would you like to give comment about the result?
My name is Stephanie. I'd like to comment group 3. The right pronounce is generic, not generic.
Okay, thank you, Stephanie, for your feedback. So you have to remember how to pronounce the right pronunciation, generic, not generic. Okay. Okay. So is there anyone to give a feedback for the discussion result, please? Okay, guys. So please stand up.
My name is Kayla from Group T. I will comment Group 1. My second generic structure is background of event.
Okay, thank you, Kayla, for your feedback. So, how many generic structure in this item? 3. The first is headline news or main-worthy event, and then background, and then the last is okay, very good. Thank you. So, give applause for us. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I would like to do confirmation about the first paragraph. What is the generic structure? Headline, sports, main, event. Okay, very good. The second paragraph. Background event. Okay, very good. And then the last is
Short.
okay, so there are 3 generic structure of news item: main event or headline news, background event, and source. Okay, thank you. So, what is the social function of news item?
Event or shorty event of the day.
To tell an information of event or news for the event of the day. So, what is the news about?
Internal memo.
Who want employees to expect additional labor in the month? Who want to answer? Okay, here you go.
Google CEO.
Google CEO. Okay, very good. Next question. When did the New York Times report that Google subsidiary YouTube was laying off 100 workers? Okay, very good. And the last question. How many workers was Google subsidiary YouTube laying off? Okay, Audrey.
100 workers.
100 workers. Okay, very good. Now, guys, it's time to do quiz join myquiz.com. So I'm going to use your cell phone. Please take your cell phone into your bag. Yeah, into your bag. myquiz.com. The code is 707125. So please join. I have 10 questions that you have to answer. Okay. Muhammad Rifal.
important information.
Okay, very good, Ara. So what is the social function of text? Okay, Kai, please.
To tell the reader about news.
Okay, very good, Kai. So, what is the generic structure of text? Okay, Lisa, please.
Headline, background event, and search.
Okay, main event, background event, and search. Okay, very good, Lisa. Okay, give applause for us. What did you not understand in today's lesson?
Nothing, miss.
Nothing. Okay, so now open your book, open the paper. I would like you to draw emoticon about how you feel. Okay, finish? Okay, please show your emoticon. Show about how you feel in today's lesson. Show emoticon about how you feel. Okay, Stephanie, smile emoticon. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Smile. Okay, happy. Okay, very good. Guys, next material, we are still discussing about news item, but we discuss about how to write news item next. Okay? Yeah, so you have to prepare at home, study at home about how to write news item next. Okay? So guys, please study up your chair. Do you feel comfortable now? Okay, so close our class. Before we close our lesson, please Ara to pray.
Attention please. Let's pray together begin. Finish greeting our teacher. Assalamualaikum